says nika
ebekomu.
It is why we say yeah you about two gentle midfielders eh 2 gentle midfielders because Zibo Thomas party kwa the end ye party na ye go so tafre
Yeah.
the party ye party na ye tafre no crappy no you about 2 gentle midfielders.
I said uko any serious nation na party will start from the bench.
Absolutely.
First the reality.
Absolutely.
My nu ya hona na to na no te dem na nu ho sa na wo sere ebusa wa se me nu me ho na me sere.
Ye didi ho nyama ya bo no yetimi mo no ma me nkire no crappy wu ni say ye face fact pa super ye was strike bi pa oba national team na was anka Jordan mu nyina say your mom starting study game no from baby it's a fact I say mom starting game no from baby I'm telling you
Queiroz also a post mortem
my main first story when Coach Queiroz training no ko he he was impressed with Hubert Gyau of Asante.
Oh really? That is fantastic.
And Coach Queiroz training no player back who impressing the papa Hubert Gyau of Asante Kotoko.
Really?
And Hubert Gyau of Asante Kotoko, he was so much impressed, coach, you know.
Oh really?
Well,
that is good.
But the reporter I got said no boy no so gia ni pentiment.
That is good. That is good. That is good news.
And now gia ni pentiment you see ye was wo or beto akma. And then no appear no ma or yellow on the field of play no.
Sure.
And my coach, you know, in fact, coach ni approach akoda.
Really?
Obisan baby free.
Oh, sir.
And now play the report. Obisan baby free. Penfo hot change one of the biggest club Ukruma.
Oh, sir.
I'm saying team bay coach say ya on Asante Kotoko Asante.
Yeah.
Wow, Asante Kotoko. I say yeah.
Okay.
So good. Ti say you home say ya na be dia you home monitor event.
That is it.
Yes, ti no. Meti ho no.
Sanete.
Meti ho no pa problem no wo no. Enu Gyau no e show bibi ma coach no. Coach, ya made ho de Gyau wa hwe Gyau awi. Hwe mo maka ne sa hwe Gyau be sam fantastic performance. Ube Gyau be sam fantastic performance ne.
They say on say o hwe
because made the what dey super.
O hwe made the you see a player me I say o form pa e club yanchi. Ono so no ba
ye nkobotu.
Na kobotu.
Sa de ya Zibo ni party no. Also still Godfathers ni ginam.
Hana Godfather.
Yeah, Zibo ni party.
Zibo be Godfather that way.
He said and said
yeah. One na Godfather. Zibo be Godfather that way.
What is oh Godfather.
Ya hwe bo okrom ha o.
Why bo okrom I say Zibo nebo. Zibo pia wo me de Godfather.
Ya me say you say you serious pa. We see the Queiroz close about you trust him. But Obama ye also on defensive oriented.
Yeah.
And hey. Oh no. Say unye robust. So the number 6. Say unye robust star. One way out ultimate because Osete Baka who defend it. Now defend now unye robust how over there. How can you defend? Because unye obi say my case and one. Or a robust type of
yes, naturally what I say traffic. Because all boys any bosuli na. These are 2 good tacklers at the same time. But no some
not to
now do no edda or more now or balling cap no feed us about. Afi Kevin so sabe dwene.
Na what at the bench.
Yes.
The what was at the bench.
Now for Kevin Prince Watson no. Asabe John wo meti wa Kevin no. Wo meti bo no mo drive.
Na baby jet anymore.
What I say? Eti asam dia on ma wonim tokro no. Kwa bo bi a Steven Apia Tornado. Obje bo down who say any Czech Republic no. And o page am.
Yeah, sure.
Not. But nei we mu no. As a 2 gentle bi ye te bo na. Ye wie. Se bo ni nkuto mo dia. We are not part with game na ye ball.
You knew Obia or Jabon and the Abba. Say if Ghana a problem. No. If we lose the ball, how to gain possession?
Absolutely.
It's a problem. I don't need a problem. We should tell this. No, Coach Rico. No, he's a top coach.
Coach, and say we organize this. You know, even the first one my organize the idea when you catch say you man open so yeah. Why? Shim, and shim. Yeah, maybe opportunity. You may be.
No, he's a top coach.
Queiroz. Why?
Yeah, support. Manzo to the man for so munya no in the jumenti or Kotoke to her own chairman. I say you are Ket Cotton. Why he's a GFA boss.
I know the
in the era Mahama Bakoto, a friend is a vice president, and I say, oh, Jody Bias no chum. No, he's a top coach. He's not a pushover. On your coach, I overturn in the Jumo.
Yeah.
Who take us close a Juma? And I want him to see, you know. You can't direct him. He is the best coach at Ghana.
Oh, yes.
He knows what he's about.
Then man, we were saying, we picture that's not how a mind and money tap it in this one. Super. We're not the only. How or pitch in this one, not so how or pitch.
No, he will accord you the respect.
Absolutely.
And yeah, all the respect of my opinion. Send you China crampa or your opinion. One more Busome was Abako. But a dread man, set coaches, they are very difficult.
Absolutely.
And then I wouldn't coach, you know. Come Portugal,
absolutely.
Coach way. Ha. Like you said, Ronaldo win now.
Coach
Ronaldo. Who else? Basa, Portugal, Omo legend. Omo legend. You free Basa call Real Madrid. Yeah, I'm referring. Figo. Luis Figo. He has seen it all. Absolutely. He has seen it all. Ghana, Ghana, I said
it is super no pay there. I think
that we a local player.
Where so you more.
I mean, I'm a show.
We remember Marco Boateng pull out no man in so. Why?
He has scored.
Pull out.
He on the CV never.
Yeah.
It's all the Ghana never put the CV. Otado no the Ghana never put in the CV.
Yeah.
It's a fact. Otado was using Ghana to build his CV.
Absolutely.
But this coach on the CV never.
We will call retirement.
That is it.
Otado I feel what said you must say.
Otado my more secret be.
Yeah.
Otado me nyako say
yeah.
You be so open.
Team be on.
Nah.
Oba Hanansi abefa.
What the Ghana na build the CV. Oh, you say the former Ghana coach.
That's we cry no betimi da kotum se Chelsea adwuma nya obo.
So ya jai sir.
Oh. Na sa kwanya nda we so betimi e dia tum, di receive betum.
Say.
When ya Chelsea adwuma na obeso ko be. What my say what say na ne yeke. When him get what
be so tado be nya boss no say o apply for Chelsea adwuma.
Oh, na so betimi dia tum.
We sure.
Omo frɛ na told mo frɛ na told boli mo frɛ na why not?
I na Manchester cry.
There be oh.
Huh? So Manchester say carry mo fan. Say no so wetin attend there say.
Otimi wura current ya no ho. Police for match no. See if they could I don't know. Yeah.
Indeed, two separate coaches.
Yeah.
A coach who is using Ghana to build his CV.
And a coach or retirement. Or retirement, no.
What you say?
Or retirement, no.
And I expect that changes. He will obey Jumano. Yes, sir. Obiaka say easy. Yeah. And yet is the teams near Kobomono, Panama for the Campono in the world ranking. They are ahead of us.
Absolutely.
Panama, they are ahead of us.
When him cry.
When him say in Ghana, we are at our lowest. It is the second I could be a cause surprise. Sagana, a friend say Croatia.
Yeah.
And England will group them. Yeah. And Ghana frees that group ma. A miracle.
Oh, and I make say, make party.
So I want to say sorry.
So I was our share the circumstances are. Asante game this is here. Me say. Is it how many months? And 48 days.
Yeah, a few days.
48 days.
Yeah.
1 month some.
Yeah, a few days.
There's no magic in a coach will be control.
No. It's a difficult task.
It's me no. I like the fact that
the biggest challenge.
Yes. Now I like the fact that one fan kosom na TV.
That is.
If I may prepare. BM.
Yeah.
So how many do from Kodwan and Fra 15?
Yeah.
Ne BM to send no see from who said no. Preach no so 20 near question after the game who said no. How a boy a wee boy and then so as many members happy for myself. Right, that's no be pim. I don't be pim. I'm a pim coach.
Now, you have to play.
No pin.
A chance for the coach to assess you.
Yeah.
But also in the morning,
bomb name here.
Yeah, how much? Born here.
Momo.
We are lucky. We me pray. Mama, I want to see them.
Yes.
And you have Punya Remo Mexico. Who about 80%?
So with me America.
With America.
Coach, I rely on guys here do mo board. Yenyi bin film. Ye ma e bin so kwai. They are hungry for success. Never be because what happen as me say super. Queiroz on koye onko control magic bia okro no so. It's a fact.
Oh yeah, it's true.
1 month. Some 8 days. 1 month some days.
Yeah.
Enye
it's very true. No kwena okan.
Obia no bet ma control